What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode. Now, if you have been tracking and following the videos that I have been posting on this here channel, you have been seeing the progression of things in the front yard. Well, that leaves us to do some things in the backyard because, as past videos have shown, there has been a lack of nothing taking place back here as I move my backyard garden to the front yard garden. I've been trying to figure out, contemplate, and think on what I wanted to do in the backyard. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe I have a solution. So make sure you stick to the end to see what I'm going to do in the backyard, but now stick tuned to see what I'm about to do right now because I have to remove this deck. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my infamous pallet backyard deck is going on the move, right? The first one has already vacated the premises, and now the back one has to as well. And this one consists of 12 pallets, ladies and gentlemen. 12 pallets is what built this backyard pallet deck, and I'm ashamed to say that we sat on this deck as a family all but once, okay? And that was for Rain's birthday party last year, so it has not been beneficial to the family. But hey, you build, you try some things, and you give some things to try, and now you know what you need to do going forward. So make sure you stick tuned to see me take this apart, move it out the way. Let's see what's under the pallet deck, because I do know some people have latched onto this channel by way of my pallets, and now, you know, let's see what's underneath and see how what I did up under allowed for it to maintain on top, because I did not have any weeds to come through and things like that. So I'm excited that it should be bare ground up under. That's what I'm curious to see. But yeah, so make sure you stay tuned, hit that bell notification, like this button, and yeah, subscribe if you're new to the channel. So let's move this, and then I'm gonna talk to you about what I'm gonna do in the back, and maybe even calls for a change of name in the YouTube channel. So let's see, let's go, let's grow. All right, great people, after much sweat and down to 2 bottles of water, we have now completed this area, which we have taken away the pallets. As you can see, as you saw, 12 pallets gone, and I am pleased that 1, there were no snakes, 2, there were no critters, and 3, I still have my hands intact, okay? Because I was nervous each and every time I put my hand up under. That's why I lifted it and looked before I did any necessary moving after that. But I had no problems. Just some worms here and there. But hey, worms do the earth good, so go for it, worms. Hope you find a new home. But this here area is now cleared and open, right? There is nothing here, no weeds, no anything, just a bunch of leaves that have fell down from this massive oak tree, right? But it's all good, and you can see here my pavers that are still here that help anchor and level everything, as those videos that I did this pallet deck show. But nonetheless, I'm gonna move all those things out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bench, but I will have to clear out this lemongrass, which I've never harvested my lemongrass. Therefore, I'm gonna have to do a video to show you how I work through it. I'm not even gonna say how to do it because I'll be learning how to do it as I show you what I'm doing. But make sure you stay tuned for that video. But yeah, man, this area is all cleared out, and even as I walk, you can see how long this strip of area is in my backyard. And so with this strip, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I will be setting up a no dig garden. Yes, it's gonna be a no-dig garden. Now, if you don't know what that is, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you are aware when those videos start to drop and get to experience what that is all about. So, as you all know, in the front yard, I have a raised bed. I have containers, 5-gallon buckets to be specific, and I have grow bags as well that I'm growing out of. However, in the backyard, I have all this land. I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna use it as it is, and I am going to grow right on top of it. Okay, I'm saying too much. Nonetheless, it's out of pure excitement because I'm excited to see the different things that I can grow. And even with this tree back here, I have added shade that may or may not allow me to grow things longer, such as the kales and the collards and things like that, that may or may not make it in the harsh sun without shade. I may be able to grow it in the back. We'll see. I'll keep you all abreast and aware of those things as they do grow and as I do grow them, which I think I want to start off with growing some kale because I love kale and I love collards. My family does as well. So I may start off by growing a row of those and just see how those things do. And of course, I'm going to keep you all along the journey. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you stay aware because guys, we are growing again, which may cause, like I said, a change of pace for this channel. You know, pallet builds have been great, I must say, but I'm not gonna get into that. It'll be another video where I make a decision, we talk about it in the comments, and then we come up with something and we go from there. But at the end of the day, we're done. The pallet deck is gone. Bye-bye, so long, it's been great, but it's no more. The pallet deck is gone. Oh, I can't show you where it went because I did not show you all that. I just showed you as I took it away, but not necessarily where I took it to. And ladies and gentlemen, it is here for now. I don't have a way to haul these pallets, but I did stack it up nicely next to my banana plants and my banana tree and things like that. So it has a home, it has a resting place. Let's say it that way. This is not its home, but it has a resting place until I can call up a friend that can bring a truck and we can move these bad boys out. So yeah, that's what it is, okay? All of those consumptions and consumings and trips and things and deliveries of the pallets have gone to that. But it's a circle of life, guys. Nothing lasts forever, but a smile and enjoyment and happiness can please you for the moment. So I hope I brought you those things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, smash that like button and I'll be sure to be back until future gardening, until future growing, especially with this lemongrass. See you later.